Oh, it's clean.
Hey, I got it. Why can't you?
Well, give me a strap.
I gotta get my drive shaft out first, bud.
We're not coming to get you, Pete, until you kick.
Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is go back. Losers! Turn the camera off, Scott. Hey losers, you want a rescue? Say hi! 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 Yes. Shut up. Oh, out, bang, bang. Bang, bang, ouch. I think we got some stuff. We got dry stuff flying around. That was on the floor. Oh, shit. Shit. Ball rust.
You, what do you call it? The U-joint right now.
The U thing.
What do you call that?
Yeah, we got water.
Oh, you got water.
Oh, shit.
Your beer wet. Oh, yeah, you broke a U-joint. You can't fix that today.
The whole drive shaft fucking spun out.
Oh, look at the diff. The diff is slipped right over.
Spun right out.
Is that thing supposed to be pointed up like that?
Yeah.
All right, that's a problem.
Hey, Dion! The whole differential spun.
How you like that, Dave?
My differential spun.
We got spun. Over.
Should have used some britches.
Holy shit, man. What would make that spin like that? All right, take her down to the shop.
Okay,
What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
I'm looking at her.
Oh, yeah. Look at her.
You have it right?
Look at that one. We need spare parts. I gotta push it back and then roll it.
First timer with a camera here, videoing Dave retrieving Chevy parts to be put in the Jeep. This is how we get parts out of Chevys. And it's almost out. It's almost got the parts out. And we're good.
Dave, what are you guys doing?
Fancy little machine.
Like, he's got to get a part for his drive shaft. This thing's got a bad 2.8 in it.
Automatic too, eh?
Ew. Sure is rotten. Reverse! We are adjusting the exhaust. Oh, I didn't want that to happen. Now I gotta roll it over again. Oh, that worked. Chevy sucks. Got a drive shaft. Hey, you're missing a cap.